Apple. AirPods.
Me looking at the mirror, you know what I'm saying. You see, I look cute and him look just like me. Between myself and them, all that we kept them see my curve. Hey, them not gonna see that no time. I put my trust in all the monster. Between myself and I, this never happening all night. Damage them energy, no right.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Princess, and I'm back with another video. Don't mind my crusty little look. It's quarantine and I'm home and I don't feel like doing my makeup, doing my hair for a video right now. So I'm gonna put on these glasses because, you know, when we put on glasses, we mean business. Actually, we're gonna take them off. We're gonna take them off. I don't like how they look. So, as you can tell by the title, we're doing an AirPod unboxing. So let's get it started. Ooh, fancy. Fancy. Fancy, fancy. Okay, I'm trying to see the best way y'all can see. So let me put y'all down a little bit more. There we go. Alright. So, fancy, fancy. Here we go. Alright. I really wanted to make sure. So here it is, right here. Okay.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
So this is the little box. Okay. So now we're gonna cut it open. Here's the little knife. Okay. Well, okay, coming right out the package. It was packaged really well. This is so nice and sleek. Like, yes. Okay, but that's that. This knife is not cutting nothing. Oh my god. There we go. Okay. Ooh, it's raised. Now, let's see if Apple did me dirty. Because it was supposed to be engraved. Alright. Spent $200 on this. Now let's see. The engraving was free, obviously, but this is that. Nice and pretty, nice and sleek. I save all my Apple boxes because. So here it is, y'all. We're just gonna open it. Nice and steady. I'll cry if it falls out when I open it. Oh, I knew something was gonna fall out. So right off the bat, there's the little packaging. Oh my god, it really is engraved.
Really, bitch? Really?
Oh my god, it really is engraved. This is Kenisha. Okay, let me turn the camera around so you can see. Okay, so right off the bat, guys, this is what the case looks like. Then you open it, and then we have the little designed by Apple California. Oh, my hands is ashy. Just ignore that. There we go. Just ignore that. Anyways, so right away we see this, and we're just gonna shake it out. So what do we got in here? We got a little instruction manual, some different language stuff. No Apple stickers? Oh wow, I didn't know they didn't come with Apple stickers. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Right away it's engraved with my name. I was just gonna get Nisha, but nah, I decided to get Kenisha. That's my name, don't wear it out, hon. All right, so let's unwrap it. All right, so coming out the package, this is what it looks like, and we're just gonna, ooh. How do you, oh, ha. 1, too. Boom, baby. Nice, clean, shiny. Looks. And then we're just gonna. Holy. Holy. Yes. These look so pretty. These are the first generations, I believe. Okay. Ooh, magnetic. Ooh, yes. Little ASMR. Hold on, one more time. Ooh, one more time. Ooh. Ooh. All right. So these look nice and clean. I'm gonna try and see if I can record, put them in, and see how the sound quality is while I'm recording with y'all. So that's gonna be in a second. But oh, and it does have a charger at the bottom. I heard little rumors. So the Apple charger, the Apple charger, the AirPods do come with like a little Apple charger at the bottom, guys. So don't throw out your boxes right away. This is gonna be my backup because, yeah, let me put some things away. So this is the little instruction manual. I gotta charge it right away. I hope not. No, we're just gonna test it out, see how it works. Okay. All right. So I think I might have to screen record. If it doesn't screen record, then I'll just tell y'all how it went. But hold on. Here it is, about to pop up on the screen. Any minute now. Any minute now. There we go. So these are how they look. I could be a whole AirPod model, but hopefully the sound quality is good. I listened to some music and it was pretty good. I was trying to figure out how to make them work. It's pretty straightforward actually. But yeah, these are my, this has been my AirPod unboxing. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Once again, it's not a long one, but you know, it's something. Hope y'all enjoy the video. I'm waiting for my poly gel to come in the mail next, and my whatchamacallit, my, oh my god, there's dust on these things already. I ordered a case for it. I only ordered one, so I might show y'all the case when it comes. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna be that person. But yeah, this is my AirPod case. This is it. Hopefully y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. Oh, and what was that again? To tell a friend. No joking. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And don't forget to leave a comment, share on your social medias. Like, today's a bummy day. You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna stick my AirPods in, go downstairs, and keep it. Alright, y'all, see you in the next video. Hope y'all enjoy.
Me make a name for myself and look what happened. Me now go back to the past, we used to fire quick. Me looking at the mirror, you know what me say. Me see I look cute and him look just like me. Between myself and them, all the week if them see me cry, hey, them not gonna see that no time. Me put me trust in all the most time.